It's Tuesday, August 16th. I'm buying some Microsoft 292.50 puts at 267. And if we look at the Microsoft chart, what I did here was after trying to rally a little bit all morning, from the morning up into the afternoon, and then started down red here big. I bought the puts here at the blue line when price was at the blue line. I'm looking for a market kind of reversal in this area now. That's where I'm going to play these options kind of into tomorrow and towards the end of the week. Overall, you could see here we have on the daily chart, we just, after a weekly chart that was kind of green last week, we followed through a little to the upside, but really not much these last 2 days. And now we're starting to get a potential shooter bar to end this day. We can take out the low of yesterday. That brings us to the midpoint of this week. If we can get there, then of last week, then that sets up a potential outside bar to the downside. And that target by Friday could be the 277 area. We're at 292 now. Like I said, we're going to have to see if this ends up being a shooter bar and then a 2 down tomorrow. Then you have all these targets into this gap. This, down here, you can see this is 286, and again, price is at like 292 right now. So that's what I'm playing for. I shot a video that I'll post on the SPY in general, how we reached some long-term targets, and this could be a big reversal area. I see a lot of stocks starting to roll over here. That's what I was anticipating, kind of starting up early in the week in a potential failure, a turnaround Tuesday kind of thing. Might be developing where we head lower. So anyway, I'm going to play these puts here on. I decided, as I watch some of these stocks falling, Microsoft to me looks like one that has a lot of vulnerability to the downside. So I'm going to play this one again. I bought the puts when price here was at the blue line, like in the 292.75 area type of thing. You can see the options are at 283 right now. Bought those at 267. So let's just see if this day really heads a lot lower and closes, red. That will be a good sign heading into tomorrow and for the rest of the week to have a little bit of a pullback on a lot of these stocks that have been up a lot in the last few weeks.